Hi, my name is Roland and I'm a graffiti artist from Lithuania. I've been mastering it for over 15 years now, and when I started my journey there were no curriculum for it, so a big part of my learning process was spending numerous hours on the internet looking through a bunch of seemingly unrelated tutorials and just taking bits and pieces that I can adapt into my own workflow. So I know how hard it can be to try to learn something as niche as graffiti, and if you're asking yourself, why would you need to know how to do graffiti lettering? Let me just say that the graffiti community is full of nice people, and its increasing popularity means more widespread opportunities for you to succeed in it. Graffiti gave me numerous job opportunities and lifelong friends, so know that at least it can be that extra edge that you might need for your next project. Also, let's face it, being able to draw even tiny bit of graffiti makes you look like 10 times cooler. So worry no more, and I'll try my best to help and guide you through your first steps. And since I said first steps, it's time to talk about what is waiting for you in this class. Your class project is to make a final graffiti lettering piece. For this class, I'll be using my iPad because it helps me make quick key adjustments efficiently, but please feel free to use whatever you're most comfortable drawing with. And to make all of this as easy as possible for beginners, you'll find handy templates to work and draw inspiration from in your project resources. I can't wait to see what you're all gonna come up with, so let's get started!